Hi my friends, today we model this part, a shampoo bottle with this drawing. You see here all dimensions, and we start with this contour, then this one, then this one, to use Loft tool to create the part. New standard millimeter size PT, new sketch, this plane, we apply rotation to have X to the right, then we draw that contour, an arc with a radius 125. We place on the same vertical this center with this center point, and we continue with line to create arcs. Keep press the left button on that. Then keep pressed again the button of the mouse, and now we apply here a tangency. Good. These two points are on the same horizontal. They are also aligned with the center point. Now we apply other dimensions. This is radius 18, and we apply this dimension of 58.8. Dimensions in the drawing. We still have 3 dimensions needed. Let's see. 2 of them are immediate. These 2 equal, these 2 equal. 1 dimension is missing. Let's see what is that. This is not tangent or something of this kind. Tangent? No. Position, vertical, between this point and this point. This was that missing dimension. Finish sketch. If you take a look, this sketch is for the bottom to this 18. We continue by pressing extrude of 18. Okay. Next is this contour placed at a dimension of 158. Dimensions radius 60, radius 16, distance of 36.5. Take care, because we have a displacement of 6.5 between this contour and this contour on the horizontal. We create a new plane by using the same plane from before, but placed at 158 up. Now you see that plane. We select the plane to create a new sketch. Once again, we create an arc. The radius is 60. The placement is at 6.5 on horizontal. Then we keep pressed the left button on this point to create an arc. This is the solution. The best solution. Keep pressed again and go to the end. Then apply tangent, place on the same horizontal this with this, this with the center. Equal are these two and these two. The radius here is 16. And the distance between these 2 points is 36.5. Finish sketch, and we have the other close contour. Another close contour is this circle, diameter of 32, placed at a distance of 226 from the bottom. This is the center point. You know this. We hide this plane and we create another one based on the same bottom plane at a distance of 226. New sketch, circle 32. Finish sketch, hide the plane, and this is our construction. Now we hide dimensions to both sketches and we apply the tool Loft. We select this area, then this one, then this one. Now we want to apply a perpendicular shape on the area of the bottom. To do this, we apply conditions for the first stage. Okay, now we have the volume. But if we try to compare the two volumes, we see that this is not well placed. This means that I didn't use this dimension of 13.6. Let's correct the situation. This is the sketch. We eliminate this. We move the circle. We project the center point and that dimension to be on the same horizontal, but firstly the dimension 13.6, then the same horizontal. Finish sketch, and we have a proper position. Yes, you can make a comparison. This is the part. We continue with these two cuts, radius 70, radius 70, 76 and 205, 98 and 194. We use this plane, then we create two circles with the radius 70 equal the two and distances. This is 205 and this is 76 and this is 194 and the other, or the last, is 98. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, 2, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. Next is this cylinder, diameter of 24, distance 246 minus 226. We select this face, we create a new, we project, yes, we project this to have a center, and we create the circle with a diameter of 24. Finish sketch, extrude this 246 minus 226. We don't make calculus by heart. Yes, we use dimensions in the drawing, always. The part has fillets. Radius 2 is here, radius 6 on both sides, radius 10 at the bottom. We select this for the default value 2 millimeters plus 6 is this on both sides, plus this is 10. Okay. The last operation is to use this thickness of 2 millimeters. We do this by using the tool shell. We select this face because we don't want to have a lid there, and we apply 2 millimeters. Okay. Now the part is finished. Let's see what is the volume. Eye properties, physical update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is slightly different, but here is a Loft tool we used, and maybe to have differences. The material is ABS plastic. The color is smooth dark forest green. We don't keep the edges, and we change default IBL to default lights. You see the result. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.